Imagine having $218 billion at your disposal. While most of us might think about luxury and leisure, one visionary mind is using his fortune to reshape our future. Today, we uncover the immense and sometimes controversial ways Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla and SpaceX, is spending his wealth. From colonizing Mars to shaking up social media, this isn't just spending, it's an investment in tomorrow. Musk's business empire. First, let's explore the businesses that build up Musk's empire. Musk serves as the helm of multiple groundbreaking companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He doesn't merely manage these companies. He's reinventing industries to make sustainable energy, advanced transportation, and even brain-computer interfaces a reality. Each of these ventures is more than just a business. They're the building blocks of Musk's vision for a new world. Tesla's skyrocketing market value and SpaceX's achievements in reusable rockets are just the beginning. The Mars vision. Musk's ambition reaches beyond our planet. His goal, Mars. SpaceX isn't just launching satellites, it's planning to send humans to Mars within the decade. Over $10 billion has already been invested, with the full project potentially costing over $200 billion. Musk envisions a self-sustaining Martian colony, a backup for humanity. This segment of his investment goes into developing the Starship, which could one day ferry up to 100 people to the Red Planet. Acquisitions and digital ventures back on Earth. Musk's influence spans the digital and AI sectors. The shockwave of his $44 billion Twitter acquisition was felt worldwide. But that's just one piece. He's heavily invested in AI through companies like OpenAI, looking to lead advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence. His investments reflect a commitment to shaping how technology influences daily life and governance, with each step potentially altering communication and media landscapes. Environmental and humanitarian efforts. Narrator. It's not all tech and tweets. Musk also directs funds towards environmental and humanitarian causes. Tesla's mission extends beyond electric cars to solar roofs and large-scale battery storage solutions aimed at global energy sustainability. These initiatives could drastically reduce carbon footprints and combat climate change, showing Musk's dedication to a sustainable planet. Controversies and public perception. Despite the advancements, Musk's methods and motives often spark debates. From public spats on social media to concerns about labor practices and market manipulation, Musk's actions are as scrutinized as they are revolutionary. His outspoken nature and bold business moves make him a polarizing figure. Supporters view him as a genius pushing humanity forward, while critics worry about the implications of his tech dominance. Elon Musk's $218 billion is funding more than businesses. It's fueling a vision of the future. As we watch this future unfold, one question remains. Are these the changes we need, or is this the vision of one man steering the course of history? What are your thoughts on Musk's monumental spending and ambitious projects? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep looking to the future.